Liz here at Susan Parody Piano Teaching Resources. I'm going to show you how to fold one of these 8-page mini booklets from just one sheet of paper. All you will need is the actual printable and a pair of scissors. When you purchase one of these 8-page mini booklets from SusanParody.com, you will also receive written folding instructions. Here's the printable. Isn't it cute? It's only printed on one side and the back is blank. Place the printed side down on your table and do your first hamburger fold. A hamburger fold is when you put the two short ends of the piece of paper together. Without unfolding, do another hamburger fold. And finally, a third hamburger fold. The paper is a little thick here, but it's still not too hard to fold it. It's not a booklet yet. Unfold the paper and see the 8 sections. Repeat our very first fold, the hamburger fold. Grab your scissors and cut along the dotted lines. Here I'm showing you the dotted lines that are printed on the printable. So just one cut is all you need your scissors for. Now you can see the slit in the paper. Go ahead and unfold. We are now going to do a new fold, a hot dog fold, which means long side to long side. Grab the two ends and push them together, much like an accordion. When they're pushed all the way together, the paper now makes an X shape. Flatten the X so that the cover page and the back page are lying flat on the table. Go ahead and flatten that. And now we just have one last fold. Fold the spine of the book, and your book is done. Now you can flip through it. Here's a sneak peek of the first page. It's so cute. I think everyone will love this.